Hi, we're here today with Pedro Lopes, who's one of Huawei's experts on planning and engineering service, and we're talking about network transformation. So Pedro, can you talk to me a little bit about some of the drivers that are requiring operators to make the transformation?
Well, operators, in order to address their customer demands, their traffic growth is exponential. They need to use several technologies, in either 3G, LTE, optical networks, over-the-top technologies. So in order to do that, they need to have a lot of skill sets, and that is not available from all the customers. So they need to gather that skill set somewhere else. The other thing is that networks are becoming flatter. They become all IP networks. And again, carrier all IP networks have different challenges, and again, operators might not have the right capabilities or the effort or the capital investment to be able to do that. This means that they actually can become delayed in the way they approach the market, in their time to market. Therefore, they can choose either to stay as they are, or they can choose to focus on their own core competencies, marketing, segmentation, segmenting their market, pricing, and then leave the operational activities, more network related activities, to specialized vendors like Huawei that bring a lot of experience and knowledge across the globe to help them doing this. So that's basically the main challenges today.
Okay, great. So what are some of the solutions? What can operators do to meet those challenges then?
Well, Huawei, in our case, we have developed a couple of two sets of solutions. One is focusing on the innovation part. So Huawei has a service innovation model where we work together with operators, with their experts, with their people that can translate their business requirements into what they need. And Huawei brings their best practices, their knowledge about other technologies, other territories, other places, and together they can create a robust roadmap that is future-proof, that can handle what's out there coming from customers. That's one thing. With this, you can actually then create a set of requirements of services, of infrastructure, of architectures that then you have to deliver. And in order to deliver that, to materialize that, we have a solution called fast delivery. And that is all about two major things. One thing is you could do a coordinated planning across all domains, radio, transmission, core, services. And when you do that, you actually have less mistakes, and you can actually do it faster. The second thing is about matching the forecasting and this planning with the delivery. And this you can get also several benefits. First, you can have a faster delivery mode, but also you can do it in a step-wise way, where the customer does not invest everything at the same time. They only invest where it's needed, so you have a better return on investment while they do it. What they can do also is, if you have a very good planning, then you can have very good forecasting, and very good forecasting can drive then all the manufacturing and all delivery of the equipment, and actually the deployment of networks. And if you do this, you can actually get two benefits. You have a better time to market, and you're faster in delivering these networks. And the second thing, you can actually pace the investment speed in a way that just meets exactly the customer demands, and the customers don't have to do all the upfront investment, but do it in a phased way. With all of this, then you can actually meet customer demand, be the first to market in beating the competition, but doing it in a cost-effective way.
Well, that's great, Pedro. Thank you so much for sharing your ideas with us today.
Thank you very much.